This is December 21st, 2008, and this is the worst snow accumulation I've ever seen in Portland, Oregon. I measured it earlier. It's like 6 inches, and the snow is still coming down. It's about 5 p.m. or somewheres around there. Just keeps coming. Yeah, it's pretty deep. Also, there's about a 1/4 inch of freezing rain under this, so it snowed probably about 3 or 4 inches, then did some freezing rain, and now it's pouring down more snow. And there's a few brave souls that are driving. Most people, if they need groceries, are just walking. But there's a few brave souls out here driving. Got to have chains, no doubt. Here's a sign of the freezing rain, a big ice chunk stuck underneath the surface. I think this guy abandoned his vehicle. Still some pretty die-hard shoppers here at Fred Meyer. I'm sure they're going to have a lot of fun getting home. Even 82nd, still just covered with ice, so I keep slipping through there. A lot of fun. I kind of hope that they'll close Xerox down tomorrow like they did last Monday. That'd be nice, and I'd have a 13-day vacation. That's going to be a bummer. Somebody lost their change. Wonder how they're getting around. Gee, look, more snow. This is the next morning, December 22nd. We've got to have at least 8 inches if we have a snowflake out there. And they still haven't closed work. I can't believe it.